the people that are hungry to succeed in any business in the world, the people that come to community group sessions like this and are Googling and watching videos and spending the time to invest their time and their money in their own personal growth are always the ones that quote unquote make it in life and always ones that succeed. So just remember, I promise you guys, if you have a passion, if you want to succeed in this industry, you absolutely can. You just got to acknowledge the fact that whatever we try in life, any avenue we go down in any business, we're going to fail, whatever we do. We're going to struggle. We're going to hit a brick wall. But as long as you keep going and going and going, I promise you guys, you're going to get there and it's going to pay off with dividends and you're going to be doing something that you love for the rest of your life. So if you like this business, if you have a passion for it, figure out a way to pay the bills while you're getting rolling. And I promise you one day you're going to say, oh my gosh, thank goodness I didn't throw the towel because I am loving life. And I know thousands and thousands of people that just preach that to me every single day. So just keep your eye on the prize, keep going. We are here for you. We want to be a resource. We want to be your community to answer all your questions. And we appreciate you guys.